y'all, so we are on day 2 of trying to ride the jet skis. So it's currently 9:58, 10 o'clock, and we're about to head to the beach so we can go ahead and get on the jet skis because Lexi's gotta go today. So we're gonna let her have fun before she goes. It's around that time to go back to school. So this is everybody fit for the jets. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what more saying. Alright y'all, so now we are at this restaurant called, I heard it, Pones. I don't know how to pronounce it. But I just ordered some Alfredo. They got chicken and waffles. Sure. And now we just went on our food. At 4:30 we're gonna be doing the DUNE buggies. This morning we did not get to ride the jet skis. You had to be 21. Everybody was not old enough to drive, so we didn't do it. So we're doing DUNE buggies at 4:30, and then we're gonna figure out what we're doing later. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the food when we come out. I've been slacking, y'all. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's because I've been traveling, but I'm tired, and I keep forgetting to like bring out my camera. But I'm gonna just do the rest of these hours in a couple days, not even a couple days, next day, and alright y'all, our food just came out. It's my pasta, and they got chicken and waffles. We finna smash. So we just finished. Meal was good. They ain't like they waffles. Well, they ain't like the syrup. The syrup was nasty. So she got the same thing I had, which bus. So now we finna go back to the Airbnb. We leaving to drive the DUNE buggies at like 3:45. Right now it's 2:42. So we finna go call the Uber and head home. So we just finished changing, and now we finna be on the way to the rainforest so we can drive the DUNE buggies or ATVs, whatever you wanna call them. This is what I got on, a crop, black shorts. She got her set on. He's got the same fit on. So yeah, we on the way now. Oh no, them killed Kenny.
Playmakers.
And y'all, I definitely cannot believe that their gas was $1. Not even $1.98. Wow. Alright y'all, so we're here at the ATV place. We're getting everything put together so we can go ahead and do it. Y'all, it's cats everywhere. It smells like cats. It's literally cats everywhere. Every corner you turn, there's a cat. There was one up there. Oh. Yeah, it's cats everywhere. He over here cleaning himself. Y'all got my. Yeah, this is good. Thank you.
She said, I said I want my house like this. She said, tell him.
So we got our helmets on. We're getting ready to ride. Miss Court, she's not gonna be on the ride, but she's gonna be drinking. We got Law, he gonna be driving. Me, Kim, we passengers. What we doing?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm sleep glad we didn't do the
ATV?
We gonna be dirty as well. It's like we finna be dirty in these though.
This is what I'm sure this is what we're gonna be in. These right here. So I'm braiding my locks so they won't be in the way while we on DUNE buggies. You know, I don't want none of my hair slipping and getting tugged on nothing. Braids in. I'm gonna worry about my hair getting snagged on nothing.
It's literally 3 seats. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Get the light.
Alright y'all, we in here.
Look at these houses, bro.
And then we're gonna get right back on the SUV.
Ella vengo a coger el caballo. What you vlogging?
My vlog?
Yeah.
I'm vlogging the trip.
Around the trip?
Yeah.
Or YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I've worked with a few people.
You have who we work with?
Well, yeah, no, I worked with him. It was quite interesting. He came here. They have big cameras. It was like $30,000 cameras, though. It was like big cameras. There was like 4 or 5 of them. They had this big microphone.
Yeah,
You know,
I ain't got all that.
No. Shoot TV.
Okay,
It's
I'm
the
gonna look
people
it
that
up.
make them practical jokers. It's that same program.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna look you up. I'm gonna see if I see you on there.
Ain't that something?
Yeah. Mine gone. Literally, all that, this big old thing just for that? That's what I was thinking. Put a little juice in here? He worked.
I got you.
Picture? I'm not taking pictures. It's on recording.
Hi.
We're back in the car. Well, the Dune buggy. I keep calling this a car. The Dune buggy. I think this is like the second stop out of 4. Yep. We're on the move. Yep. Alright, we just got off of the Dune buggy ride. It was very messy. Everything is dirty. His shirt dirty. Ken's face and clothes is dirty. I'm just ready to get in the shower. Everything was cool though. We enjoyed the ride. We're back in court. Very beautiful. Thank you. We're just sitting at the bar waiting for our Uber to come. We are like far out. I look so dirty. Look at my neck. I was about to say, take your glasses off so I can see your face. Oh my god, I told you. Ah, that's so bad, bro. What the fuck?
Jose on the way.
Look how much dirt on my face. Y'all, look at all this dirt from the ride on my face. Hey, do you need this? That's crazy. My forehead is disgusting and dirty from this ride. But we're at the bar. Order our drinks. And my camera finna die, so we are waiting on our Uber. Our Uber is like maybe 15 minutes away now. So I will vlog once we get back to the Airbnb. So we're back at the Airbnb. I just got the shower. I was in the pool for a little bit. And now we're getting ready to go out to eat. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear since it's like our last night here. I don't want to do nothing too special, not too dressed up. Like I want to be comfortable enough to like, you know, walk around and do whatever we do, but at the same time I don't want to look a mess either. But honestly, I'm kind of feeling like the chill look right now because I'm chilling. Like it's night, ain't nobody looking at me, ain't nobody looking out for me, you know what I mean? But no, y'all, when I look back and I got here, my whole face was like dirty from the Dune buggy driving ride through the dirt and all that. Like my whole face was dirty, and I had gotten in the shower and I scrubbed. Like my ears were red because I was scrubbing the mess out of my face and my ears, trying to get all that dirt because I was super dirty. Like, and my camera got dirty. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can tell, but like the camera is dumb dusty. I'm trying to clear it up because it's not. I don't know if y'all can tell. Y'all probably can't, but the camera is so dusty and dirty. And I've wiped this camera off multiple times trying to get it cleared, but the dirt is still on there. So I'm gonna just have to keep wiping my camera down so I can get it cleaned off. But yeah. Alright y'all, so this is what I decided to wear. I'm just putting on some my biker shorts with this cute sheen tie-up top. I think it's the cute little combo. Cute and comfortable. Something cute and comfortable just for like getting something to eat. So yeah, this is what we're doing. I'm going to get all my things packed up because we are leaving tomorrow. I believe we are zip lining in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my things together and pack up the things that I'm gonna take out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow into the airport, and I'm gonna pack everything else. So I'm gonna get all that together. I'm actually trying to put my dirty clothes in this bag because I have like wet swimsuits and stuff, and I just don't want to throw in my bag. And plus my luggage is kind of small, but we're gonna get it figured out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that before we go out to eat. So yeah. So I just finished packing and putting up all my stuff. It looks way better. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow for the airport and for zip lining. And then I have my shoes out for tomorrow. My shoes I walk around the Airbnb in, and then like my scarf and stuff on the bed, my pajamas, and my dirty clothes in that bag. So I got everything pretty much packed up. Everything else is like the bathroom stuff, my toiletries and all that is in the bathroom. So I'm gonna pack that up after I brush my teeth and everything. So we good. I also packed up my shoes in my bag. So I'm doing good. I did good. Now these are the shoes I'm wearing out. Nothing special. Literally something chill and cute like I wanted it to be. So this is what it is, and I'm gonna take this off. You know, I gotta tie the edges down. Got to. So yeah, the place we are going to. So yeah, this is where we're going to. We're going to get the burrito tacos that they have, cause I want some. So we just got the Uber, and we're headed to the restaurant that I spoke about earlier. We are in downtown San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're walking.
That's not it.
I'm getting the burrito tacos. I'm getting this right here, y'all, the burrito tacos. I get this all the time back at home. So to actually taste it here, I ordered water. I don't know what I want to drink yet. I hope y'all can hear me because there's a lot going on in the background. The couple got them some drinks. Well, actually, his is virgin. He don't drink, y'all, but she definitely do. She like her auntie. Perfect. How many tacos do I get with the burrito tacos?
Just one for $5.25, but do you have a 2 or 3? That's okay.
Okay, so can I do 4
Beef or pork?
beef burrito tacos? Perfect. For you?
When she comes over to make sure you guys are good, just let her know, okay?
Oh, y'all, we got the burrito.
I ain't gonna lie.
She got the quesadillas. Like I said, y'all, I'm finna smash.
You should have been eating over here.
She not saying 5 stars. Y'all just chowed down, 2 down. I asked for some more. The dip ordered some. He chowed down. He chowed down. Everybody, yeah.
What do you call this
Alright, y'all, we're in the Uber and we finna head back to the Airbnb. just got out the Uber, y'all. We're walking back into our Airbnb.
Please, babe. What's up? You can do it right
I have a whole food belly. I feel pregnant. Very pregnant.
Come on.
Alright, so this is where we stay at. This is the villa.
Hey.
Villas. Like I said, we live by the beach. Gated. So, yeah, I'm finna go in here and probably lay down. Yeah, get a little down. Right at the gate. Hey, Cora! Yeah. The food was really good. Was it good? Yes.
260.
Here she go. I'm so tired. It's been long days. Very, very long days. But we finally back. I'm gonna finish putting my stuff up. I'm gonna get out these clothes, put my pajamas on. I was like, go ahead, put this in my bag. And then I'll probably finish this vlog in the morning once I wake up and get it started for tomorrow. Because we have a lot to do before we leave. Well, not a lot, but I have to be up early. And it is, I threw my phone down, but it's 10:04, my bedtime. Yeah, I'm gonna continue this vlog tomorrow. I'll see y'all. We had a long day, but we're gonna have an extra long one tomorrow. So I'll see y'all later.